States face a lot of challenges when modernizing. When you think about how the state's systems and processes have been put together over time, there's been a lot of changes. There's been a move toward outsourcing a lot of functions. There's been a move toward really monolithic systems to help deliver the services to their clients and to the public. And what is happening in today's world, there's more digital services, there's different expectations from customers on how they're going to interact with government. They expect to interact with government just like they interact with the commercial sector. And also legislative expectations have changed over time. And so what we're seeing is governments are under a lot of pressure to modernize and really improve how they provide customer service and how they work with clients. And it's become very complicated because a lot of these systems and processes have been set up and added to and changed over a 30-year period. And you might have one huge monolithic system that now the federal government's asking you to break up into modular pieces. And that requires clients to have to go back and really understand what happened. What's the history? How did this system become what it was? Grant Thornton offers a lot of services to government agencies to help them through this modernization journey. At the beginning, we can help with strategy and planning, and that ranges from coming up with a modular strategy to figuring out how to manage in a multi-vendor environment, or basic things like how much is this going to cost us over time and how should we develop a project and modernization schedule or roadmap. We can do all those strategy type activities at the beginning of a project. We can also help with acquisition and help clients figure out what are the requirements for the new system. If we're going to implement this in an agile environment, how does that work? How do we hold vendors accountable in an agile development environment? We have a lot of experience with that and help agencies deal with that every day. Once a project commences, we have services that we can provide around the program management office or around oversight, or around a digital services strategy, or around digital services implementation. So we can get in there and help the client implement these new solutions and help them manage a vendor maybe that's building the system. And then finally, on the back end, we have experience in contract compliance, and we take a little bit different view than most vendors and agencies do when it comes to contract compliance. We take more of an audit view where you need to test whether your outsourced vendor is actually performing these activities as they said they would. And so you have actual information instead of self-reported information from the vendor, which happens a lot these days. And I'm excited about what Grant Thornton has to offer because we can help Health and Human Services clients through this modernization journey.